Dear students, what you see here two circles are there with center O and O dash. Radius of both circles is 5 centimeter. Means 5 centimeter radius of this circle and 5 centimeter radius of this circle. Both circles touches a base and makes a perfect square here. You have to find area of this square. Okay. Now let us see how we find area of this square. Suppose we reach this point to this point. What happens? And extend it up to this point. Right? Its name is, suppose its name is A, B, C, D. Our square is A, B, C, D. Right? Now what happens? Because this is our radius OA, that means its distance is 5 centimeter. OA is 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Yes. Suppose this point is E. Is it clear? What is this? O is also 5 centimeter. OE is 5 centimeter. Is it clear? Now find EC. Do you know what is this angle? This angle, what is this angle? This angle is 45 degree. This angle is 45 degree. Why 45? Because in any square, diagonal make 45 degree angle with base. Because this angle is 90 degree, so this angle is 45 degree. Is it clear? It is diagonal. If it is 5 centimeter, then it is also 5 centimeter. Means EC equal to ED equal to 5 centimeter. Why? Because this angle is 45. That's why this angle is 45. Why? Because this angle is 90 degree. Is it clear? Clear? Means if this is 5, then this is also 5. Now CD. What about CD? Use your Pythagoras theorem. Use your Pythagoras theorem. What happens? The square of this means OC square. The square of diagonal, that is equal to OC square equal to OE square plus EC square. Very simple. The square of this is equal to square of this plus the square of this. Because it is a right angle. OE square means 5 square plus 5 square means 25 plus 25. What happens 25 plus 25? It is 50. OC square equal to 50. That means OC equal to 5 square root of 2. Is it clear? Yes. Now we find diagonal of this square. What is this? This is BC. If we subtract OC, sorry, it is OC, not BC, OC. Because it is center. OC. If we subtract AC OC minus OA. Is it clear? It is OC, it is OA. If we subtract OA from OC, what happens? We get diagonal of the square. That is equal to 5 square root of 2. Here you find OC and OA is 5. Then what happens? 5 square root of 2 minus 1. Is it? Now area. Required area. Required area means equal of the area of the square. What happens? AC square upon 2, square of diagonal upon 2 is square of the value of area. So what happens here? 5 square root of whole square upon 2. Is it clear? It is our diagonal of square. Hence area is square of diagonal upon 2. Now what happens here? 5 square means 25 under root 2 minus 1 whole square upon 2. Right? Now what happens here? 25 root 2 square means 2 plus 1 minus 2 upon 2. Is it? Now what happens here? That is equal to 25 3 minus 2 square root of 2 upon 2 square units. Is it clear? That's finished.